Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are joining us. If this is your first time of coming across my video, my name remains Oyenwemado Kainebi. And I'm from Akumazu Mocha, and Akumazu Mocha is located in the Kano East local government area of Delta State. Today, I'm here to enlighten you about our movement, about what we have been doing that most of you have been asking questions. Now, last 3 weeks, or rather last 4 weeks, I and some of my crew we visited National Assembly for a reason. And most of you have been asking questions, what actually took them to National Assembly? Why did they visit National Assembly? Are they there for unification of Igbo? Of course. What is taking us up and down, taking us through and flow, what is taking us around the whole Igbo state where you find Igbo speaking communities is because we want every one of us to have this understanding that we are one, irrespective of the location where we find ourselves. Now, we visited National Assembly to make a case. We went there with double memoranda, which we submitted to the Office of Deputy Speaker, who is in charge of the constitutional review. Now, we went there with double document. One is a call for new state creation. New state creation. Then, when you look very well, you will see for yourself that that is a stamp that shows that they received a document from the National Assembly. Now, you can look at it. A call for new state creation. Now, the second one is boundary adjustment. You can see the stamp there shows that a document was also accepted. Now, who are the people who are making this move? We are called Ndena Subia Socio-Cultural Organization. Ndena Subia Socio-Cultural Organization. Ndena Subia simply means all the Igbo families where you see the word Bia. We brought ourselves together to form a unit that will unite every Igbo together. Now, who are the people that are involved in this organization? People from what is it called? Okwane, people from Abo, people from Eka, people from Aniocha, people from Ikwere, Iche, all our people from Abula, people from Kogi, Ebake. They are the people who came together to form this group called Ndena Sobia Social Cultural Organization. Now, the case we are making for boundary adjustment is that when you visit Edo State, you find out that the people who are the, what is it called? The Ibake, the supposed Ibake people are seen in Edo State there as a minority, and they are being suffered what is called marginalization. We are making a case for boundary adjustment to enable them come back to Delta State so that they can be added into Eka where they belong initially before Bende State was splitted into two that took them into Edo State. Now, we are still making case for our people who are in Benue State to actually come back to the original state and the ones in Kogi. And we are still making case for our people who were taken out of Ebonyi State to Cross River and other places to actually come back. That is where you see the call for this boundary adjustment. Now, these are people are being seen as a minority. Even the state that hosts them, are not seeing them as a legitimate citizens of that state. And these are one of the reasons why we are making this call that the federal government, through the arms, National Assembly, the arms of law, and say they should look into our application so that it can be a case to debate to see that these are people acceded back to their original position. That is what you see us doing, and that is why we visited Abuja. And we are not stopping here. We are moving from community to communities. We are already on consultation, consulting our National Assembly members, our senators, and so on and so forth, letting them to know why this call is for now. We know for too sure that Anioma State has been a call that has been into existence, starting from the time of Dennis Osadebe them. But we are not going to keep quiet because they did not give them that right or that privilege of having Anioma stay during their time. We must have to continue from where they stop. Now, let me tell you, brother, what you need to do in this aspect is that this is the time we need to work together to get our desires achieved. Don't stop. Whenever you come across our post, make sure you share the post. Make sure you get the post go viral. Make sure you comment on the post. Make sure you commit this particular post to the appropriate authority for people to begin to put their mouth on this issue of boundary adjustment and new state creation. My name remains Oyewamado Kanebi. Until I come your way again, make sure you don't cease supporting this move. Love you.